Hi everyone, my name is Wilson Chang. In this video, we will introduce how to use IntelliJ to create a SpringMVC project and connect to the database. This video is used for Windows systems. Compare with the projects we built before. We will change the database from Derby to MySQL, change web server from Glassfish to Tomcat. Besides, we will implement the Spring and Hibernate framework. In order to have a better management of these frameworks, Maven is used as a building tool. You can download the required software from the following links, and let's check whether they work or not before we start. Check your Maven setting in your system environment variables. Make sure you include Maven Home and cross-bounding bin in your path. Check your Tomcat server. Click the Start button, and the server should run without errors. Check MySQL database. Open your workbench, type your password, and connect to the server. You may find the connection is failed. In this situation, please open System Services, start MySQL server, and redo the operations again. Now the connection is successful. Now let's start to create our project. Open the IntelliJ. This time we will create the project from the Maven web app. Type project name, group ID, architect ID, and click Finish. Please wait for a few seconds for generating the project. Once you can see the pom.xml, it means your project has been generated. The next step, we will modify this XML file to import all the dependencies. In order to have a better version control, we will put all the version definitions under the property tags. Then copy and paste all the dependencies into the dependencies tags. Click Load Maven Changes to regenerate the dependencies for your project. Let's move to the next step, modify the project structure. Although there is a more convenient way to create SpringMVC project, we manually do this to get a better understanding of the structure. Java folder is used to store your code and business logic. Resources are used to store your persistence unit. Web.xml and dispatcher servlet are used to control the frameworks, servlets, and web pages. Please locate them in the right place and check the project structure after you have done all the changes. Please make sure all the names are the same as the tutorial specification, including upper and lower case. Additionally, we also need to create packages under the corresponding folders. Next, we need to set SpringMVC dispatcher and JPA configuration. Copy and paste the code to your web.xml, dispatcher servlet.xml, and persistence.xml. Click Add to JPA facet configuration to finish the structure. It's time to complete the codes. Configure folder is used to store configuration information. Follow the MVC design pattern. The model folder is used to store your repository and corresponding query. The controller will store your business logic, and view is the presentation of your information. You may have some error information under your Postman service. Click Set the language level to 8 and this problem can be fixed. Now we are creating the JXP files. I will explain their functions in the running session. After we finish all the codes, click the Run tab, select Tomcat as your web server and deploy your project. Please make sure you set the right database password in your persistence.xml. Now let's see how this project works. The welcome page is the index.jsp, and this page provides two links. Go to home page or go to Pokemon management page. The Pokemon management page provides basic CRUD functions such as add, edit, and search. Thanks for watching, and the last part I will provide some common issues when you're deploying your project. One common issue could be when you're starting a server, it shows the port has already been used. In this case, you need to manually stop the Tomcat server in your folder and restart it in your IntelliJ. Then the problem can be fixed. Another common issue could be when you're starting your server, it shows 500 error information in your web pages. In this case, you need to double check whether your password is matched your database and open your workbench to make sure you have already created the Pokemon DB in this database.